Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 970. Powerful integers. Given three integers x, y and bound, return list of all powerful integers that are less than or equal to bound. Okay. An integer is powerful if it can represent it as x power I plus y power j for some integer where I and j are greater than or equal to 0. Okay. You may return answer in any order, but for your answer, each value should occur at most once. Okay, fine. They are telling us to find the list of all powerful integers that can be formed. Okay, so see here. So this is the first example. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And we want to make all the numbers, all possible numbers that is less than or equal to this bound. That means what? Less than or equal to 10. Okay. First of all, I can take 2 power 0 and 3 power 0, which is equal to what? 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Yes, 2 is less than 10, right? Okay, I will take it. Then, sorry, come here. Then I can take 2 power 1 and 3 power 0, right? Okay, if I take it, I will get the answer as what? 3. Then 2 power 0 and 3 power 1, I will get the answer as what? 4. Then 2 power 1 and 3 power 1 is what? 5. Then 2 power 2 is 4, 3 power 1 is 3, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Then 2 power 3 and 3 power 0 is equal to what? 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, now 2 power 0 is 1 and 3 square is what? 9. So I can make that what? 10. Up to this only it is valid, right? Yes, see here. Here it is 2 power 1 plus 3 power 2, right? It comes what? It comes 11. But 11 is what? Greater than 10, right? Likewise, 2 power 2 and 3 power 2. We can put like this also. But it also has what? 13. 13 is larger. Can you understand this? So we only want the ranges what? The ranges from below this bound are equal to bound. Okay. Now for x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5 and bound is equal to 15, I can get these are the possible answers. Okay. What is this problem and how to solve this problem? Okay. So this problem is just like we want to see all the possible combinations, right? Okay. By using brute force itself, we can solve the problem in an efficient way. Okay. So how to solve it? Okay. See here. They have given this x and this y, right? And we want to find what are the powerful integers that are less than or equal to this bound. That's what the question says. So whether we can generate all possible combinations and take only those which are less than or equal to this bound, right? Okay, how to generate all possible combinations? Okay, first of all, for 2 power 0, what are the all possible combinations I can form? So I can form like 3 power 0, then 3 power 1 and 3 power 2. Okay, if I take 3 power 0, then what is my answer? My answer is 2. 2 power 0 plus 3 power 0 is equal to what? 2. Okay, now if I take 2 power 0 plus 3 power 1, then it is what? 4. Okay, if I take 2 power 0 and 3 power 2, which is equal to what? 10. If I take 2 power 0 plus 3 power 3, then what is my answer? It will be 1 plus 27, right? Okay, which is equal to what? 28. 28 is larger than 10. So I will don't go beyond this. Okay, then I will take 2 power 1. Then I will consider it. Okay, now 3 power 0. So 3 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 1 is 2. Sorry, 3 power 0 is 1 and 2 power 1 is 2. So it will be what? 3. Okay, 3 is less than 10. Okay, again put 3 power 1. It is also less than 10. If I put 3 power 2, which is what? 11. 11 is what? 11 is greater than 10. So stop here and change this 1 as what? 2. Okay, if I change here as 2, then what are the answer I can get? Possibly I can get 2 power 2 plus 3 power 3, sorry, 3 power 0 is equal to 5. Okay, valid. Then 7, valid. Then 2 square plus 3 square is what? 13. Whether 13 is valid? No, it is not valid. So stop here and change to what? Change to 2 cube. Okay, 2 cube plus 3 power 0 is equal to what? 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, fine. Whether we can take this 9? Yes, we can take this 9. See here, see this carefully. Still one step is remaining. Okay, observe this carefully. Now 2 cube plus 3 power 1 is equal to what? 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. So we won't take it, we will stop here. Then we will change to what? 2 power 4, right? 2 power 4 plus 3 power 0 is equal to what? 2 power 4 is 16. plus 1 is equal to 17. Here itself it is over limit, right? So after this, whether going beyond this is necessary, because see here it is 16, but our bound is what? Only 10. So going beyond this is unnecessary. We don't get any other possible answers. Okay, whether the problem got over? No. In the question they have asked, we can written in any order. Okay, in any order, but we should return in the unique answer. But here, see here what are the things that are occurred? Yes, let me highlight it. See here, this 5 is occurred here also. Yes, then likewise any other. Okay, that's it, right? Only 5 was repeated 2 times in this example, but in real time scenario there may be more than one thing are repeated. There is nothing also repeated. Okay, but they have asked us what? Unique values. So to make them unique value, what can I do it? I can push everything into what? Into a set data structure, right? So I will get the unique values. Okay, then while returning I will make this as what? Array or list, like that. Fine. Now what is the time and space complexity for this solution? I can say my time complexity will be O of, see here, we are just doing what? A multiples of 2 and multiples of 3, right? So it will becomes like what? Log of bound, here comes base x, then into log of bound base y. Yes, that's it. No, also we want to take this in a log also. So my final time complexity will be like what? If take for example n is equal to log base x bound into log bound base y. If it is the n, then I will get what? O of n into log n. You may ask why I am getting this log n, because we are just using what? A set data structure, right? A set data structure. This set data structure is also taking some time to insert into it. So that's the reason why we are having this log. Okay, now what is the space? Space will be O of, we are just putting this much elements, right? This much elements into this, right? So n is equal to this, then I can write what? Here n. Okay, actually I want to write this, but it is too lengthy to write. That's why I am writing like this. Okay, that's it. Let us see the coding path. See here, this is the basic brute force approach. Just I am taking the result and I and setting the result as set of, which means what? I am just taking a hash set and declaring the I is what? 0. Okay, so power is starting from 0, right? That's why. Then while x power I is less than bound, which means what? Yes, if the x power something I is less than the bound, then go ahead. Then j is equal to 0, like that. If x power I plus y power j is less than or equal to bound, here also less than or equal to. Okay, and if you're not using this equal to also, it is okay. Why? Because see here, x may be like anything. If bound is equal to 10, and if it is 3, x is 3, and I done a square. Okay, now plus what is the minimum power I can take in the another y? It is 0 only, right? It is anyway, it becomes what? 1. Anyway you are going to add 1. So if the bound is equal to 9 also, it will be what? 9 is less than 10. If here alone it becomes 10. Okay, then 10 plus 1 will be what? 11. That's why you can put this equal to, or you cannot, you don't want to put this equal to also. Okay, anyways, if there is a equal to, then it goes here and it will terminate. Okay, it won't add. Now result dot add of x power I plus y power j. I am adding in the set. Now j plus equal to 1, and if y is equal to 1, just break. Okay, this is the most important condition. Because see here, because if I have 1 as a set, 1 as the element, then what is a 1 square? It is 1. Again, what is a 1 cube? It is also 1. So 1 power 4, it is also 1. So if I have x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, then always I will get the answer as what? 1 only. Right? There is only one number can be formed. That's why whenever my y is 1, I will break it and come out. and then whenever my I is, I am incrementing my I, and also whenever my X is 1, then also I will break it. Can you understand this? Yes. See here, if X value is 2, okay, and they have given the bound as what, 10, and they have given the Y as what, 1. If I will put the X value as something like 2 power 0 plus 1 power 0 is equal to what? 1 plus 1, right? Again, if I put 2 power 0 plus 1 power 1, again it will be same. Yes, if I put 2 power 0 plus 1 square, again it will be same. So this loop not get terminated, it will continue to the infinity. That's why I am using this edge case condition. Okay, now at last I will return the list of the result. That's it. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Thank you.